सीए फाइनल में 2019 आरटीपी डिस्क्रिप्टिव क्वेश्चन नंबर 11C। BSS and Associate is a partnership firm of CA which was established 5 years back. The firm was offering only advisory service at the beginning. However, after audit rotation and events of GST, firm sees lot of potential in these areas also and started looking for opportunity in these areas also. These services being assurance in nature, the firm required some internal structuring and set up some policies and procedures for compliance. Year on year, the firm started getting new clients for these new services and is now looking to obtain such information as it considers necessary in the circumstances before accepting an engagement with a new client. When deciding whether to continue an existing engagement and where considering acceptance of a new engagement with an existing client where issues have been identified and the firm decides to accept or continue the client relationship or a specific engagement. It has been setting up a process to document how the issues were resolved. The firm is now looking to work with only select clients which are in line with the policies of the firm. The firm understands that the extent of knowledge it will have regarding the integrity of a client will grow within the context of an ongoing relationship with the client. With regard to the integrity of a client, you are required to give some examples of the matters to be considered by the firm as per the requirement given in SQC 1. Answer 11C. As per SQC 1, the firm should obtain such information as it considers necessary in the circumstances before accepting an engagement with a new client. When deciding whether to continue an existing engagement and when considering acceptance of a new engagement with an existing client where issues have been identified and the firm decides to accept or continue the client relationship or a specific engagement. It should document how the issues were resolved. With regard to the integrity of a client, matters that the firm considers include, for example, 1. The identity and business reputation of the clients, principals, owners, key management, related parties, and those charged with its governance. Second, the nature of the client operations, including its business practices. Third, information concerning the attitude of the clients, principals, owners, key management, and others charged with its governance towards such matters as aggressive interpretation of accounting standard and the internal control environment. Fourth, whether the client aggressively concerned with maintaining the firm's fees as low as possible. Indication. Fifth, indication of an inappropriate limitation in the scope of work. Indication of an inappropriate limitation the scope of work. Sixth point, indication that the client might be involved in money laundering or other criminal activities. 7. The response for the proposed appointment of the firm and non-reappointment of the previous firm. The extent of knowledge a firm will have regarding the integrity of a client will generally grow within the context of an ongoing relationship with that client.